Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to edit the location of your Google business profile. Let's get started. Firstly, search for your business name. Ensure that you're logged in with the Gmail account linked to your Google business profile. Then, click on Edit Profile. Next, navigate to the Location section and click on the small pencil icon next to Business Location. Select Show Business Address to Customers and input your address. You can also make adjustments if needed. After inputting your address, ensure that it adheres to Google's guidelines. Any discrepancies or inaccuracies in your business address could result in profile suspension. Avoid keyword stuffing or using incorrect addresses, as these violations may lead to issues, especially if the address provided is not genuine. Now, here's another note. If it hasn't been approved within 3 days, you will need to reach out to Google Business Profile Support. If you do have that issue, they're going to ask you for proof of your business address and the reason for your change. And you may even be asked to re-verify your Google Business profiles. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.